underneath.
Oh. Maybe.
Here,
He
is curious about elephant. Feel his soft ear.
Good. What's this word here? That's a sight word. Good job. Can you read that again for me?
Feel the soft ear.
Good job.
And he is curious.
Sound it out. Owl.
About alligators.
Alligators. Good job.
Feel his.
Feel.
Feel the.
Sound it out.
Bumpy. Feel his bumpy tail.
Good. Read that again.
Feel the bumpy tail.
Good job.
Peek-a-boo. George is curious about the about
Sound that word out.
has
E.
his
Good job. That was kind of tricky. That E and the W together is going to say ew. Kind of like ew. N. Ew.
new new friend. Like you.
Job. What's that say? Sound it out. That O is going to say its name.
The sound is
Eh? Like an eggs.
Hello. Hello, George. Like you. Hello, George. The end.
The end. Did you read that book all by yourself?
Yeah.
You pretty much did, didn't you? Let's see the cover of that book.
Huh?
Let's see the cover of that book.
Are you taking a video?
I am. I'm going to show it to Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
I'm not the grandma.
No, say hi to Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. I don't see Grandma.
No, she's not on here. We're going to send it in a video. So say bye-bye.
Bye.